My name's Charles Green. I install garage doors and entry systems. This was our first one with the Maxums. They definitely were not your traditional garage door opener. Usually you got this big bulky motor, this casing, all the gears and different chains and stuff in there, and that's all stuff that just adds weight. And that was my biggest thing. When I picked the box up, I wasn't sure there was an opener inside the box. On any custom install, you need to be looking at, your mounting surfaces, your openings, make sure everything's within all the tolerances that you can to make sure the door's gonna work as smooth as possible, make sure your operator's gonna have somewhere to go. The challenge that we had on one door was there's pillars in the way, so you had to make some shaft extensions. The Maxum doesn't have any issues with having that extra distance there, where with an L5, you saw that it would kind of pull on that a whole lot. You would have to make a whole lot of adjustments to the door. They seem to have gotten rid of most of those with these new operators. And operation-wise, the smooth operations, that has made some old doors that we've put these on run like new doors. With their sleeker design, the smaller motors, the smoother operation, it just seems like it's gonna be a lot easier going forward.